How to cook rice part 2. Subscribe for more videos. In Korean culture, rice is a staple in every meal. Rice is accompanied by various side dishes, soup, and meat in almost all typical Korean households. Although cooking rice is fairly simple, many people have a hard time when it comes to rice cooking. It either comes out too soggy or undercooked, leaving people unsatisfied, and wondering where they went wrong. Have you ever dined out in a Korean restaurant, and wondered how the rice was cooked perfectly? Today, I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions on how to cook rice perfectly every time. This article is intended towards people who do not own rice cookers or pressure cookers. You can cook rice in a pot to have the same great taste as you would have in either the pressure cooker or the rice cooker. The following recipe serves about 4 people. All you will need are the following things. 1. 2 cups of rice. 2. 1.5 cups of water. 3. A small pot. Soak the uncooked rice in water. Cover the rice with water until the rice isn't visible anymore, and then, leave it to rest for 1 hour. After an hour, rinse the rice repeatedly for about 4 to 5 times in cold by running your hands across them. Make sure to drain the water after rinsing. Add 2 cups in the pot along with 1.5 cups of water. The water should cover the rice about 1 inch along the surface. Set the stove to high, and leave it alone for about 8 minutes, or until most of the water has evaporated. Once the water is almost all gone, set the stove onto the lowest heat setting, and then cover the pot with a lid. Leave the pot alone for about 10 minutes. This will allow the rice to be evenly steamed. After 10 minutes are done, turn off the heat, and let the pot rest for an additional 2 minutes. The time may slightly vary depending on your pot size. At the 10-minute mark, simply run your spoon to see if it needs more time. There you go. Cooking rice is as simple as that. If you followed this procedure correctly, you should have perfectly cooked rice that should even taste better than the ones served at restaurants. Rice is a good foundation that complements any other dishes, so knowing how to cook rice is a must. Don't forget to subscribe.